Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samora, and for this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this super quick and easy pink lid. Super cute, super flirty look. Honey, this look is definitely a look that you want to try to do. I want to give you guys a special welcome if you're new, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome guys. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now. So, hold up, wait, I don't think I mentioned this. Like, you guys, it is 2019. Yes, we are going to be blessed this year, and we are going to be positive, honey. We are going to achieve our goals. Yes, we are. Okay, so without further ado, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I got this look. This look, every product that I use in this video is super affordable, you guys. And you can get it at your local beauty supply store or drugstore like Walmart, Target, Walgreens, or even Rite Aid. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and start this video. And I just want to say Happy New Year if you're watching this. Yeah, let's cheers to that, okay? Foundation I'm using is the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I love this foundation, you guys. I've been using this for so long. And to apply this, I'm going to use my beauty blender to apply it. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more. So we're gonna do our eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using my LA Pro concealer in the color Warm Honey, and just put that all on my eyelid. Oh my god, you guys, I didn't get to say it, but I got the cutest gift ever from my sister-in-law. She got me this really cute brush set, and I really do appreciate it because it's super cute. And I have to show you guys. This is one of the brushes. How cute is this? This design is so cute. I'm gonna be using the blending brush from that set. I will be using my BH Cosmetic Warm Stone palette for this. So I'm gonna take the light pink color from that palette and put that all over my crease. As my transition color, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here. All right, now that I'm done with that, I am going to take my concealer to create a cut crease. It's the same concealer, LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Warm Honey. For that, I will be using my MAC 252 flat brush and just pat it all over my lid. Just make sure you take your time with this step, you guys. So now that I am done with that, I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer, just apply a little bit onto the back of my hand. I have another small flat brush, and I'm going to take that and apply that all over my lid. So you guys, I got this really cute glitter shadow, glitter eyeshadow. The name of it is IZ Me New York. It is in the color Pink Quartz IGC 434. And we are going to apply that all over our lid. This is actually my first time using this, and since it's my first time, it's kind of like a mini review for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and put that on our lid. Check it out. Very, very pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to this color right here. So now that I'm done with this eye, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and come right back, okay? All right, guys, so now that I finished my other eye, I'm so sorry about that. I did not notice how much the red shirt was throwing off my eyes. Like, who does that? Red shirt, pink eyes, glitter pink eyes? No. I mean, you can actually pull that off, but I think it was just doing a little bit too much. But we changed that to a black, really cute crop top. I think I got this from Fashion Nova. Yeah, I really think this eyeshadow came out really, really pretty, and it's just like, damn, like, pop, you know? But let's go ahead and finish that. I'm gonna apply my e.l.f. eyeliner, and you know, I'm kind of going for like a little dramatic look today. I don't know, just because like it's New Year, it's the New Year, why not? You know, we don't gotta be basic. We need to, you know, be a little extra is okay, you know, once in a while. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, this is cute, this is cute, okay. So let me do the other eye and come back. We are cute, we feeling a little dramatic today. Like, it's okay to be dramatic. So now that I finished my eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyelashes, which you know, without lashes, sis, like, I just feel like lashes is a key. Like, it's what pops out your eye. So for the eyelashes that I'm using today is by Envy, Iconic, KPEIO8, and it looks like this. It's super dramatic and I love it, you know? So let me go ahead and put that on and come back to camera for you guys. Okay, so let's move on to the face. Let's go ahead and apply some more of my foundation, which is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. I mean, you don't really need a lot now because you already have some on. I really love this foundation, you guys. It is full coverage, as I mentioned before. Well, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it is full coverage, and I love this. So now I am going to apply my concealer, which is the very same concealer that I used before, and the color Warm Honey LA Pro Girl Concealer. I don't know, like, I really love this concealer. Like, I've tried so many other concealers, and this is just my go-to. Like, I love it. Contour. So to do my contour, I will be using my True Complexion contour palette in the medium to dark color. It looks like this, you guys. You get this at Walmart, Walgreens, Friday, wherever. You will find it. Beauty supply store, everywhere has it, I'm assuming. And to apply that, I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Stipple brush, which I got from Walmart. So we're gonna take this little color right here, the darkest shade, and apply it. So for my nose, I like to use a smaller brush. It looks like this, a small angle brush. And just pretty much create two lines, just two straight lines. That's it. It's time to bake, honey. Yes, it's time to get this face snatched. So, to bake, I will be using my Airspun loose powder, and that is in a translucent color, of course. You would get this from your local Walmart or Walgreens. I know it's cheaper in Walmart. We're gonna go ahead and bake. I look like I just bathed in powder. What is, literally. I had this powder for so long, but it's actually by Maybelline, and the color is in 02 Honey Amber. We're gonna apply a little bit of powder. Oh, this is cute. We cute today. So to complete my look, you guys, I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Ashton. Oh my god, this is super cute, you guys. You guys see how dry this is right now? Like, it's super dry. I'm really liking this look. This came out really pretty. To top it off, I am going to apply my NYX it is Everything lip gloss. You guys, I love this lip gloss. It's super clear. So I'm just gonna apply that over this. We're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid glow stick, you guys. This is in the color bronze. This is actually my first time wearing this, but let's go ahead and try that right now. For this liquid highlighter, you want to go ahead and put some on the back of your hand like this. I'm gonna be using my Real Technique setting brush, and go ahead and just dab that. Ooh, okay, this came out really, really pretty. So let me go ahead and put my hand down and show you guys the finishing look. All right, guys, so we are all glammed up. We are ready to go. I did my hair, fixed my baby hair, and I went ahead and applied some mascara on my bottom eyelashes. And now we're just ready, and we are pretty as ever. I want to thank you guys for watching my video and for being here with me. I want to thank you guys. I really appreciate your support. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you just like me and you give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to comment some suggestions. What do you want me to do? If you want me to do a girl talk, I can do that for you guys. Whatever you guys want me to do, I will dedicate my time and do it for you guys. We want to pray to God that this year we have more consistency and we are always just positive. You know, when you're positive, you just have a better way of seeing life. Even when things are not going your way, if you're positive about everything, listen, things is gonna start being your way. God is gonna bless you, okay? So we wanna go ahead and be positive this year. We wanna go ahead and achieve our goals and just be, you know, uplift yourself. You know, you're pretty, you're beautiful, I wanna tell you that. And to end this video, I wanna go ahead and say, follow me on my Instagram at Forever Samora, and for makeup videos at makeupmora__. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.